Bonjour Gakanawea and welcome to Ojibwe Word of the Day. Today's word is ziibii-zaagiing, and ziibii-zaagiing is the Ojibwe word for the place Prairie du Chien, which is in Wisconsin. It actually was a long time Ho-Chunk area, and it was a place where Ojibwe, Ho-Chunk, and other tribes would sometimes meet and gather. They held a number of treaties there over the years. Eventually, the Spanish established a trading post in Prairie du Chien, Wisconsin. Sometimes that surprises people. Later on, the French tried to establish a trading post there. But the Ojibwe have always called it Ziibii-zaagiing Prairie du Chien. Miigwech. Miigwech, Waawaashkeshiwi-ziibiing, Indigenous cause.
Ziibii-gookoosh.
And that was
Ojibwe word of the day.
Miigwech.